Are you looking to take your marketing to the next level? Marketing Keystone products just got easy. Welcome to Keystone's Marketing Resource Center, exclusively for Keystone distributors. Now, you're able to add your logo and contact information to existing Keystone marketing collateral and download it in minutes. No marketing department? Understaffed team? No problem. Keystone's Marketing Resource Center is simple enough for anyone to use. There's no need for a graphic designer or web developer. Just follow our simple steps to choose your desired product collateral, upload your logo and company info, then save, print, and share with your customers. Choose between brochures, flyers, and emails, and from a vast library of Keystone products that is always expanding. Get started by signing up at the link below. Don't worry, we're here to help if you have any questions. Now you have the Keystone marketing team working for you. The Keystone Marketing Resource Center is simple, fast, and can help grow your business. That's Light Made Easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.